Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you just see me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Let me do mine for you. See, please, if you just see me for the first time, just subscribe to my channel. Join us on this family, because on this channel we learn about simple things that gives us big solution to life. Yes, guys, I have come to show you something quickly. Salt, just sea salt, normal salt, table salt, pink salt, anyone that you put inside your glass cup gives you wonderful solution. I have come to share something very, very pertinent, very, very important, very amazing with you today. So I'm not going to take your time on this video, but I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video so that you will learn this, and it will also encourage your faith, and you will do your own. If you have done this recipe before and it didn't work for you, guys, try it, because mine is working like fire. Yes, I want to show you this. Look at it. Mine is evaporating. You can see the evaporation going on. Now the salt is down, and because I want to energize it again, and then keep it back so that it keep bringing in money, that is why I've come again to share with us this night, so that you will look at it. See, if your own is not evaporating like this, it means it will not yield much money. But if it is evaporating, the more it evaporates, the more money. Guys, this thing is working. It works like like fire. You understand? See, a trial will convince you. Are you broke? Are you looking for money? Are you struggling, and maybe you're looking for money to pay certain things, or start a business, or do something for yourself? See, it doesn't matter where the money is coming from. One thing about praying, or prophesying things into your life using things like this, is that you should not focus your mind on one person. Okay? Just do it as a general thing and send it to the world. And God, in His infinite mercy, will send money from left and right, from every nook and cranny of the world. Yes, God will send money to you. See, it is not your business to know how God is going to do it, but He will do it. Yes, He is doing it in my life, and He is doing it in the life of others. I've come to encourage us this night. Okay, so for the benefit of those that are joining us for the first time, I want to show you how you can put this together, and then how we arrive at this. But some have been saying this before, so you only stay tuned to just look at some of the things I would like to show you, in this video. Yes, so I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, levels. You're welcome back from that time, right? Okay, and see, I introduced a new product to us last time. It's called Spiritual Kulacha. Some people have been placing order for this. See, this is one of the best decisions you have made in 1 year. How do I say it? See, this is Spiritual Kulacha, and it works in a wonderful way. See it? This can reach you. This can get to you anywhere you are, on the face of this earth. Very nice, smells like heaven, and this is spiritual. This is to attract favor. This is to command respect. See, the kind of respect I'm talking about, if you're a woman and your boyfriend is looking down on you, or your husband is looking down on you, get this. You are a man in an office, they don't do things with you, they don't respect you, they don't have regard for your person. Or are you into politics and you want to attract favor, acceptance, general acceptance in a way that people don't even know why they even want you? Get spiritual collagen. Very simple, very affordable. Just place your order, and we'll send it to you. Yes, and this is back to sender, but it can come to you in different shades of color. Back to sender, as the name implies, that is how it works. See, we have thousands of testimonies of back to sender already. So if you need it, just place order for it. And there's something I want to say specifically. WhatsApp is not working right now. Facebook, Instagram is not working right now, but there's Telegram. We are on Telegram, so if there's anything that you need, you can just place your order via Telegram or via SMS. And if you like WhatsApp, because I know very soon you are going to restore it, but meanwhile you can reach us also through Telegram. Okay, so this is spiritual. This is Mampil liquid, for those whose priesthood is not active the way they want. You can get this for the other room. Okay, this is breakthrough soap. Breakthrough soap is for those that things are not working, life is just standing. Get your breakthrough soap to work faster. This one is this is a virus removal. Yes, this is for a 30 days dose. Yes, one dose, if the virus has not gone deep in your body, is enough for you. But if it has taken root in your body, you can need like 2 doses. 3 doses for somebody that is already down with the 4 letter words, that people are just waiting for the person to die. You understand? If you are in that state, you can get 3 of this. But if you are a normal person, you're just on retroviral, you can get just 1 or 2 of this. You'll be fine. Okay, so now back to our recipe. This is working like fire. Now my water has evaporated and my salt is coming like this. And I told us that if you want to attract money, instant money from nowhere, money from thin air, money now, oya money, do this. How do you do it? Get your piece of paper, get your glass cup, and then get your salt. In this recipe we used Himalayan salt, pink salt. So you can get your pink salt, then get you can see it's pink salt. So this is thousands and millions of money, whichever denomination you can think of, waiting to evaporate into the world, into my pocket. So guys, see, what I normally do is that when the water has gone down like this one now, I will now add water. Yes, just add water to it. Like now, I said I will come here, I will show you how you can do your own. Okay, you see, the paper is still there. I wrote Naira sign, and I wrote dollar sign. So these are the money, the kind of money I want to attract into my life. And once you do that, then you put it by the window side. And even if you don't have window, just get somewhere, an open place in your house, where it can be taking fresh air. Just keep it like this. That is all. And you pray over it. Say your intention, what you want to attract, how much you want to attract, and it will be yours. Now look at it. See, I will now add water again to it. I've added water again to it. Then I'll return it back to the window where I kept it. Yes. So guys, if you have not tried your own, try it. Do it tonight. Use your kitchen salt. Use your table salt. Use your dining salt. Use any salt that you have with faith, and keep it let it and watch how God is going to use this to surprise you. Yes, God works in mysterious ways. There are different avenues God can use to touch your life. Guys, how do I look? Levels. Okay, now see you guys in our next video. I upload video on daily basis. Please subscribe to my channel, okay, and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.